Indulge in Luminisce Signature Facial Treatment at home with the Luxury Facial Kit, designed to deeply cleanse and revitalize the complexion, infuse skin-nourishing vitamins, and deliver intense hydration for the ultimate skin pampering. The pain-free treatment starts with a soothing cleansing massage courtesy of the Luminisce Una ultrasonic device, which offers gentle water-based exfoliation. Ultrasound waves then deliver nutrients deep into the skin while also removing blackheads and whiteheads along the way. The mild electric currents of the Luminisce Una safely deliver the special mixture of stable vitamin C and ceramide deep into the skin. The Luminisce Infuse Pro further infuses active ingredients through sound waves that lift and revitalize the skin. For intense hydration, the last step is the application of our special mask containing marine algae extracts and hydrating vitamins and minerals. It drenches skin with cooling moisture for a relaxing finish. With the Luxury Facial Kit, you can finally get the luxe skin pampering you deserve without leaving home. Contact us now to get your own kit.